pre-war classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1941 Chevrolet pickup. 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. And look at this beautiful chrome front end on these. Always a popular model here at Unique, fast sellers. Chrome and bright work looks good. Two-tone paint combination, this nice deep wine and black. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Classic look, that wide white wall bias ply tire with the steel wheels, Chevrolet center caps and beauty rings. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, no major nicks, dings, scratches. Be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this one will take home some trophies. Bench seat belts have been installed. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and as usual, if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. See the wood bed looking good. A few notes from the technician on this one. Heater does work. Wipers work. 6-volt system yet. There is an electric fan, and there's a toggle switch to the left-hand side of the steering column that runs that. You can see chrome bumper, dual exhaust. Rear brakes are new. Front brakes are 70%. Also mentioned there's a new fuel filter as well as a fuel shutoff valve. Both of those were replaced. If you like these early 40s, late 30s Chevy pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see up and down this driver's side just as nice as the passenger side again. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's check out this interior before we start it up. Let's hear it run. It's kind of a taupe or neutral colored interior with some burgundy highlights, as you can see in the vinyl on the side of the seat. Down below, rubber flooring looks good, and the 3-speed manual. A couple aftermarket gauges, temperature and fuel pressure. We're going to click that key on. Of course, the starter is down on the floor. Make sure we're in neutral. That 235 fires right up. Here's the fuel gauge. Came up to half. I know the temp gauge shouldn't come up. That's still cold. It was a cold start. Fuel pressure, or excuse me, oil pressure gauge working. Dash looks good. By the way, the crank out window, yes, it functions. Check that out. Wiper also works. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds good. Just the sound you'd expect to go along with this truck. That classic inline 6-cylinder sound. All right. Speaking of which, let's check it out. Let's get these hood panels open. All right, open them both up so we can see each side, and check this out. We've got an Offenhauser intake manifold, dual carb setup. Pretty cool. Be nice to display it at a car show like this. Definitely attract some attention, and there it is. Looks like newer plugs and wires also. Running pretty smooth. That engine doesn't even move in there. Call us 507-386-1726. 1941 Chevrolet pickup. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1941 Chevrolet pickup truck. Beautiful paint on this truck. Also, a nice interior. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. It'll let you know when you have your turn signal on. So this is the left turn signal. You're not going to forget to turn that one off. It does work. It indicates flashing on the inside as well. That is mounted right to the column for easy use. There is a squeak to the clutch pedal, as you can hear. But it is a smooth running, nice shifted truck. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you'd expect from this older era of truck. Down below the dash, we've got some gauges. The temperature gauge is about 130. PSI is around 30 PSI. Up on the factory gauges, the fuel tank is showing a half a tank. The battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. And oil pressure is 30, which is full pressure on the factory gauge. There's a couple little tiny raindrops spitting on us today. Not enough to cause any trouble, but you may see them on the windshield. The windshield is clear. I do not see any cracks in the windshield. Nice ride to this truck. Cloth bench seat that appears original. If reupholstered, it would be original style. So the pedal doesn't squeak on the way down, only on the way up. We're in second now, heading into the roundabout. Brakes feel good on this truck. Corners nicely. Very nice truck, inside and out. Attractive wood pads, good colors of paint. You'll catch a lot of eyes with this 41 Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.